Hey, home service pros, I'm going to give you the most important tip you can get for making your Google Ads more profitable and increasing your return on ad spend. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to go into your Google Ads account, and you don't need to spend a single penny more. This tip is probably the most important tip you can ever get when it comes to Google Ads for home service businesses, and one that we give each of our clients. Ready? When someone calls you from Google Ads and your phone rings, pick up the phone. Let's get real for a second. You're investing money, real money, into Google Ads to get those calls. And every single time someone clicks on that ad, it's costing you. We're talking anywhere from $20 to $50 and sometimes $100 per click, depending on your market and service. But what happens when they pick up the phone and call and nobody answers? You're burning cash. That's right, burning money every time you miss a call. You're practically saying goodbye to hard-earned dollars just like that. Now, think about it. This caller has a problem. Maybe it's a furnace on the fritz, an air conditioner that just quit, a roof that's leaking, or even a burst pipe. They're calling because they're ready to buy your service right now. And if they can't get you, they're not waiting around. They'll move on to the next company faster than you can say, missed opportunity, which means that potential customer and their money is now headed to your competitor.
Here's some real world examples of calls not being answered. This one here, 30 days, 13 calls, all of them went to voicemail. Every single one of them hung up. You can imagine every click on here, how much it costs them to get those calls, and it's not being answered by a real human. And here's another example. 17 calls, voicemail, nobody answered. Voicemail, voicemail, voicemail. Somebody actually did answer that one or left a message. Voicemail, voicemail, voicemail. This is a problem you consider. They want to get leads from this, and they're not answering their phone. And then they'll call us and say, hey, how come we're not getting leads? Because you're not answering the phone. Now, this is how you answer the phone. Look at these calls that came in. 862 seconds, 697 seconds. We're looking at 10-minute plus calls because they pick up the phone right away. This is how you convert Google Ads leads into sales. Pick up the phone, start to close them as quickly as you can. Look at through all these, one after the other being picked up and answered. This is the key. This is the number one tip I can give you when you're running Google Ads and how to make more money from it and how to do a better return on ad spend.
So here's the brutal truth. If you're running Google Ads, you need someone answering the phone, and not just someone, but someone who can pick up right away. No answering services, no voicemail. Real, live human beings who know your business and can start the conversation ready to close that job. Answering that call quickly isn't just polite. It's the difference between closing a deal and letting your competition take it. You're investing in these ads to make money, not watch it go down the drain. So pick up the phone and make it count. Now, if you need help with your home service business, whether it's with your online marketing or you want to work with someone who can help grow your business by getting help with sales, management, or even someone to partner with you, click the link below to book a free consultation with us. We've scaled businesses to 7 and 8 figures per year and positioned them to be acquired. If this is something you're interested in talking to us about, click the link below. The consultation costs you nothing and there is zero obligation. We look forward to talking to you. And yes, we answer the phone.